The news in detail. The high-powered committee on the construction of the new assembly building met today at the Taj Vivanta in Shillong. Meghalaya Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong and Sneobha Langdhar, and other legislators and officers of various line departments attended the meeting. In his brief, Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma informed that the agendas taken up were review of the progress of construction of the main building, proposal for the second phase of construction, and presentation on security systems. He informed that the HPC, Assembly Secretariat and line departments have accepted the proposal for the second phase, and the proposal will be submitted to the Ministry of Donor.
Of the status, present progress of the main assembly building. Then the second item, agenda number 2, was to discuss about the second phase, which we are submitting a proposal to the Government of India through the donor ministry. Then the third agenda item was the presentation of the security systems, providing security solutions to the assembly complex.
Education Minister